Hey guys, it's me Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today we are doing something a little different. I am shooting well, my good friend that I've just recently met. He happens to own several gun shops. So I bump into this guy at Walmart and we started having a long conversation, da la la la. And I mean, the guy is cool as hell. He also owns a couple of car dealerships, I think, Ford dealership and another one. I forgot what the other one was. And I mean, this guy has got acres and acres and acres of farmland. And I mean, just unbelievable machinery and just a beautiful home as well. The guy is just out of this world. Anyways, so we're leaving after talking to a Walmart and stuff, and his car is next to mine, and it wouldn't start. It needed a jump. His battery was old, or I don't know what the heck. So I hooked him up and I gave him a jump start, and how freaking funny was that? So we were talking in the store, and then he finished up, and we finished up. He leaves, checks out. I leave, check out, and he's parked 2 cars away from me, and his battery was dead. So I jump started his car, and we got to talking, man. And this guy is the nicest guy I've ever met. One of the nicest guys I've met. Then again, everybody I've ever met up here is super cool, super nice. And he said, "Hey, man, you want to borrow any of these guys? You can borrow them." So I was like, "Hell yeah!" So that's where we're at so far. And so you know what, I have a little collection of my own little things that I got when I left California. But all these things are brand new in the box, or he's just bought them to have one of them and just added it to his collection, and he hasn't even taken it out of the box yet. So yeah, anyway, so this is one of his little 22s, which I really liked. It's a little Ruger, and they're called like barkeeps. I think they are. It's completely, it's cleared, by the way. You have to pop this little door open, and it's going to be hard to do with one hand. Anyway, so it's single action. You have to cock it every time, and it's a really cool little fun pistol for being a 22, and for plinking. So this is my little 22 range. There's a whole bunch of wood stacked up behind that, and then that's all nothing but forest back there. There's nobody ever going to be back there, or if they are, they're probably lost, and me shooting them would be the best thing to happen to them. So I'm kidding. It's all like a bunch of wood, like literally there's piles of wood in the forest back there, and then on top of that, I'm the only one. This is the end of the line. So this is my little 22 range, and then further down on my acreage, I have the whole other shebang going on, where you can pretty much shoot anything and everything you want. So, but this is just my little 22 range. So, anyway, so back to what I was saying. I have several rounds, 3, 6. So I got about three chambers worth. I could load this thing up 3 times. And let me get to that. I'm going to pause because clearly I need another hand, and this is a gun, so I'm not going to play around. So I'll be right back. Stand by. Okay, so that little door cocks right open. It just flaps right open, and then the drum, you can spin it freely, as you can see, and it's totally clear. Every one of them is coming out through white. So, okay, let me load her up, and then you just drop one in, spin it, drop another one in, spin it, and you can pull the whole assembly out by pulling that pin there in the middle. But this is just an easy little plinky. When I take it apart and service it and clean it, like when we first got this, it's been cleaned and I've already shot it. So I'll be honest with you, you can see a little gunpowder residue on it already. So, but anyway, yeah, so let me do that, and then I'll come back. So it'll be filled up. Okay, and there you can see all 6 of them are full. And what you do is you close the door and you turn it till it clicks into position, and now you're seated. So ready to rock and roll. I'm going to switch hands because I fire with the right-handed. So let's do that, and then see where I'll show you where I've got proof that I've already been having fun with this little guy. So there's all my little dip-dips. And then once the middle started getting filled, I just start focusing on like the sides and try to use up all my targets. Now I'm going to shoot at the very top, or maybe at the 11 o'clock patch right there. Let's see how well we do. Let's do the 11 o'clock. All right. All right, guys. Here we go. Oh, man, okay, I'm not gonna aim through my phone. Oh, I'm sorry, Lucky. Shit, my dog's right there. Okay, so let's see. One shot that I did drop. Oh, look, I hit it. Boom. 11 o'clock. Oops, sorry, guys. 11 o'clock. I think I just put the heckin' scare on my dog. Sorry, Lucky. Oh, shit. I should have checked that. I should have closed his door, too. Okay. So, let me put my dog away. Stand by. Okay. Now we try again. Everybody's in the house. Even my little doggy. Here we go, people. I'm just gonna try to keep you in frame up there, but I'm aiming the way I normally would. Oh, that's right. I already shot one. Nice little pistol, lots of fun. And then the cool part about it, when you take the rounds out, they don't go all over the place like my automatics do. So that's why I'm building the little shooting shack. So that when I'm in the shooting shack, it'll have a little tray. You just sweep all your rounds or your brass into it when you're done. And that's how I'm going to do that. And then if it's raining also, I'll be undercover and nothing's going to be getting soaked. So that's going to be my little next project, my little shooting shack. But these are lots of fun, guys, and they're totally worth it. I think they're less than $200. Really cool. This is a Ruger, as you can see, and I like buying, even if it's a cheap gun, I like buying a reputable name brand. I don't buy anything that I've never heard of. So Ruger being really good or really bad, I guess that's based on your opinion, but this is a little fun gun to shoot, and it's also something that my wife won't be afraid to grab, and if she has to, pull the trigger, and she will feel comfortable shooting this. And that's actually what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to buy one for her. So, yep, any questions or comments, guys? This is called the Ruger Wrangler. And it's about $200, a little bit less than $200, I want to say. And it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to finish these guys. I got about 2 more to go, but I'll leave you guys with that. And then I clean it up, and then I'm going to give it back to my friend. But lots of fun, guys. Questions or comments? Leave them below. Oh, let's actually see how well we did. And that's clear. There's nothing left in it. Like, who the hell's going to come here anyways? So yeah, I was a little bit high. Hit one there, one there. That's the one from previously. And then I don't know if those two had anything to do with it. I did see a bunch of wood coming out of those stumps in the back, so I might have hit a little bit high. But yeah, pretty good. And yeah, that's what I was talking about. You see all that wood back there? There's a shit ton of it. So, and there's nobody back there for, God, I think miles. I haven't seen anybody back there ever. So, cool. That's my little concrete pedestal. Pesto and a pedestal. Nice, fun little. So I only shoot little 22s up here. And then, like I said, further down my acreage down there, I have a big old dirt mound set up. And I'm also going to get some railroad ties. And I'll finish, when I finish building that, you guys get to see that as well. So yeah, guys, questions or comments, leave them below. Again, it's called the Ruger Wrangler. It's right there. And it's a fun little gun to shoot. So yeah, when you see this little rod with the spring on it, you push on that, and that ejects all your used shells. Or you could pull that pin right there, push down on that, and pull that pin, and the entire cylinder pops out. So pretty cool little gun. Lots of fun to shoot. A little $50. You can see I've already been through most of it. And I'm going to have fun with the rest of it, minus the camera in my hand. So, questions, comments, guys, leave them below. Lots of fun. These things are a lot of fun. Talk to you guys later. Bye.